I am T. Colin Campbell. I hold an endowed chair at Cornell University in the Division of Nutritional Sciences. My official title is Jacob Gould Sherman Professor of Nutritional Biochemistry. I'm also director of the China-Oxford Cornell Project on Diet and Health. On the question concerning the relationship between genes and nutrition, if you will, genes really have very little to do with disease formation if we eat the right food. And the whole notion of people believing that diseases run in families because we have the genes, such, for example, is a very fatalistic view. And in my view, it's an attempt, either intentionally or unintentionally, it's an attempt to not take responsibility for what one does with their lives. For those who wish not to change their diet or don't want to believe this, they say, oh, it's in my genes. And they just sort of, eliminate from their mind because now they've got another excuse. But the fact of the matter is, if they make the right choices, they can control the expression of these genes. Not in every case. I mean, I confess, there are some genes that are obviously very deleterious and may be controlled only with great difficulty. But those are the rare genes, quite frankly. It's the common genes I'm talking about. Heart disease and cancer and diabetes don't come from, even though it begins with a gene action, we should not confuse that with the fact that it has to do with the turning on of these genes that really matter. That's the question. It's turning them on. And nutrition can control whether you turn them